The Inspiration Gallery is where you can store images to use in your proposals or as recipes on your worksheet. To get started, you'll have an All Inspiration collection, which will initially be empty. From there, you can create additional collections just as you've done in the previous two galleries. Within the All Inspiration collection, you can add new inspiration by clicking the Add New button and selecting New Inspiration. You can then upload an image from your computer or an internet URL. Once uploaded, you can assign the image a name, category, and description. For example, you might categorize an image as venue. Additionally, you can use the Colors section to assign a color palette by clicking the plus symbol and selecting colors that match the image. You can input a color using either a hex code or a Pantone code. Alternatively, you can extract colors directly from an image by dragging it and positioning the square over the specific area of the photo you want to use. Once you've found the desired color, click Add to Selection. Repeat this process for each color you wish to extract from the image. When you've selected all the colors, click the Done button to finalize, and those colors will appear in the designated section. You can also tag the image with your frequently used tags to create new ones as needed. Additionally, in the Other section, you can include alternate text to add more details if desired. Be sure to click the Save button at the bottom to confirm any changes. On the left-hand side, you'll find a Search and Filters panel, similar to the ones in the previous galleries. This panel allows you to search by name, description, attribution, category, color, or tag.